Welcome guys, I am Suha Malik and in this video I am going to share with you book metadata guidelines that you can use to generate more KDP sales. So this video is basically optimizing your book metadata to boost your KDP sales. We will be looking at different aspects that contribute toward the book metadata, and I will show you the best practices you can utilize to generate more KDP sales. So keep watching this video till the very end. So let's get started. The first thing is book title. Book title should ideally include a most searched keyword. This is the way you can leverage the Amazon search and you can include a keyword that is in demand and has low competition. The second thing is your book title should look and feel natural. Read your book title aloud and make sure it feels and looks good. Should not have misspelled words. Double check your title for any misspelling or any grammar issue so that the target customer is not skipping your book. Should not have physical features of the book. Your book title should not include any information about trim size, page count, or large, small, things like that. Your book title should be very clean, natural looking, and ideally it should include a keyword phrase or search phrase that has low competition and is being searched in the Amazon store. Here are some examples of good title and the bad title. Example 1 is the for good title. This is coloring book for kids vehicle. This is very clean and very natural looking. The second example of good title is adult coloring book flowers. Bad title include large coloring book vehicles for kids, boys, girls ages 8 to 12, for girls 8.5 into 11. This is the bad example. I know this is very extreme example, but including things like that, large or ages 8 to 12 or girls, boys, multiple things in your title make your book title look bad. So subtitle. Next comes our subtitles. The major role of a subtitle is to give an additional information to the customer. It describes your book, may include secondary keyword phrase. Your subtitle may also include a secondary keyword phrase to increase the searchability of your book in the Amazon store. If it doesn't fit into your subtitle, then don't bother to include a search phrase. Just include some words that describe the content of your book. Should be short, crisp, and clean. Just like your title, your subtitle may be a bit longer, but it should not be very long. So should have 1 to 2 benefits of the book. You may include some type of benefits into your subtitles. For example, if you are making a book for adults, you can include the benefit of the book like stress relief, relaxation, things like that. Or if you are making a book for kids, you can include a benefit like fine-tune motor skills or increases hand-to-eye coordination. These are the benefits of the book that you should include into your subtitle in a strategic way. Should not have any physical features of the book. Again, you should not include these are the guidelines from Amazon actually. Should not include any physical features of the book, trim sizes, page count, things like that. Next comes our examples of the subtitles. Good subtitles include a fun coloring book with 50 unique vehicle illustrations. This is the subtitle for our previous title. The bad example is a large size coloring book for kids, girls and boys, 50 vehicle coloring pages, 8.5 into 11, big coloring book, hours of fun. People try to stuff their title and subtitles a lot of keywords. This is wrong practice and it looks very bad when compared to the other books on the sales on the Amazon search results. You should have very clean and crisp subtitle as well. Next is book description. Book description should have a big bold headline. You should include big and bold headline toward the start of the description that catches your customer's eye. Should have a punchline highlighting the main benefits of the book. Just like you do in the subtitle, you should include 2 to 3 benefits. It can be 4 or 5 benefits of the book into first paragraph. There should be a bold headline, then should be a punchline that includes the main benefits of the book. Next thing is should be properly formatted. It should include bold words, it should include paragraph break and line break, and it should also include a list of book features, and it also includes a final short paragraph. It is optional, but it really makes your book description stand out. The last, you can add a call to action like buy this book today, and to give your child hours of fun, things like that. A call to action is also an indication of very good book description. So these are the things you should keep in mind while keeping your book metadata. Also, you should pay attention to the 7 backend keywords. I have a post on that. I will leave the link in the description below. You can read that post about 7 backend keywords. You can read this blog post. It is how to use the 7 KDP backend keyword slots. I have written a detailed post on my website lowcontentprofits.com. I will leave the link in the description below. So next, it is time to show you the example of a very good book metadata. You can see here, this is an example book, ABC letter tracing book for preschoolers. This is the book title. You can see here, this is very clean and very clear. It doesn't have any page number or trim size info. Next, you can see here the subtitle is very clean and it is very short. A fun book to practice writing for kids. It doesn't include like girls for boys, any things like that. Additional information is missing here, and it is very good. It looks very clean and it looks very natural. So you can also see, as I have talked before, you can see this is bold line headline: gift your book kid the magic of having lots of fun while they learn. 100,000 already did. They have already sold over 100,000 books. You can see here they have included book benefits in these are the, you can say, the punchline, and they have included the book benefits. Then they have, you can see, bullet points, getting ready, tracing letters, tracing words, free practice. They have very well formatted book description. At the end, they also have included age specifications, and then they have also a call to action: buy now to set your kids for success in a fun and engaging way. So this is the best example of book description and book title and subtitle, and the book cover is already very great. So you can see they have a lot of reviews, 5,595, price is 6.95, and here we go. Let's check out. Independently published, and they also have 12,932 rank in the Amazon store. This is the BSR, and you can see the 108 pages, and they are ranking in different categories. So you can see this is the best example I just find very quickly. So this is the video I have created for you people to let you know what is the best practices that helps you generate more KDP sales. And let's revise. Your title should be very short, very clean and natural looking. Your subtitle should also be very short, clean, and should include benefits of the book. Your description should include a punchline, then a big bold headline, then bullet points, then a short paragraph after the bullet points, and then a call to action. So, and then you should include your 7 backend keywords in a strategic way, and I have written a blog post on that. You can check it out. The link is below in the description. So this is the video for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.